feels like time is going faster than it seems. We were just two kids who were trying to live the teenage dream. We could see no reason but we should ever try to go to sleep. Remember every weekend we stayed up late and then went home to me. I wish that I could live that dream again. Cause it was only you and me back then. We were never growing up, said we'd be young forever. You taught me how to love and nothing could be better than you and me, baby, it was you and me.
So we're in what? How you say it? Watkinsville, Georgia. We're at the Watkinsville Power Shop.
That's my little baby right here.
Bobcat dealer. You like
it's 52. I have a 48. That's the difference.
Yeah. Professional. Does great work. So this is gonna be maybe part of the photo shoot tomorrow.
Hey Tracy. How are you? Doing good. Woo. Tracy, this is Chants in Montrose.
Hi.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Yes. Look at the mower out there.
Oh yeah.
Thought we might take some pictures in the morning. Come on, hang out for a
What's
little.
the first name?
We have that one now. We want the big boy.
Did you buy your Bobcat here?
I did. I bought both Bobcats here.
And what do you have?
I have the 48-inch CRZ and the 52-inch XRZ Pro.
How many years?
I've had the Pro, XRZ Pro for 3 years and it has right at 400 hours on it. And the CRZ 48 has 300 hours on it.
You gonna get an upgrade?
Absolutely, as soon as I can. Planning on it. But no problems on them yet.
Yeah.
Nothing. Had to replace one belt, that's it.
Okay.
So you
225. Those, yeah, new models. Right
These
here.
225s?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, I'm Tracy Williford. We own Watkinsville Power Shop in Watkinsville, Georgia. We started our business in 1997 and we sell the Bobcat line and have been selling them for 19 years. One location and we only sell the Bobcat Zero Turn. We love Bobcat, the service is great, the warranty is great, and I have been the biggest seller in Georgia the past 3 years. If you are near us in Watkinsville, Georgia, please stop by and we'll be glad to show you our Bobcat mowers and offer you the service that we give. All Bobcat customers come first. No matter how many jobs we have here, we always put our Bobcat customers first.
Good. There we go. It wasn't that hard.
No, it wasn't that hard. What is this?
That's the mic.
Oh. Oh, I see now what you're saying. Okay. Now, what, how do we look on your YouTube? What can we go to? Okay. I just didn't know, like if I put in, okay. Okay.
Yeah, there's 900 some videos on there. So.
Yeah, I want to get on there and look anyway. I mean, you know.
50,000 people.
Everybody's coming in for more. Alright guys, so we will be back tomorrow and next location here. Where are we at, Eric?
This is the old Oconee County or Watkinsville schools from years ago.
Look at this. Oh man. Oh yeah.
There's some brick work in the back here.
Okay. Yeah. So it's just open. Oh yeah, it's open to the public, huh?
Yeah.
Nice. Look at this, guys. Ooh. You take care of this?
Nope, don't not.
Looks pretty nice.
This is nice Bermuda grass here.
Yeah, look at the grass.
This is probably cut on 2.25 inches.
That's 2 1/4?
Yeah, maybe lower when it's cut.
Huh.
a little high right now. I imagine.
Okay. This is different. That's a crepe myrtle?
Yeah, it's huge.
I've never seen one in real life.
Oh yeah.
And they always, I see it on YouTube.
Oh yeah. Get a lot of.
And they cut it down every year, or cut it.
Well, you just
where the hard.
cut them here.
Yeah.
Here. If you cut it at the ground, it'll come back.
It'll come back.
If you cut it at the ground, it'll come back. So you can really frame it however you want
to.
Yeah.
Just
They come up everywhere. But you can see where this was cut last time.
Yeah.
You can see where they're cut off.
But they do get cut every time.
Yep.
Every year.
Yeah. Otherwise, they'll turn into a mess if you don't.
Right.
I mean, there might be 50 things off the bottom, stems off the bottom, you know, and just a big mess.
Looks nice. Yeah. I only see it on YouTube. Crepe myrtle.
Crepe myrtle. Yep.
All right, guys. So here's
it's like
the
C-R-E-P-E. Crepe.
Okay.
See, that's a crepe.
Oh yeah, we'll come in here.
This is an option.
Mm-hmm.
So we got the gym.
Oh yeah, I think we got.
Shoals. We can use here. We can use the mower dealer. That's a dwarf Japanese maple here.
Yeah. This is nice. Look at this, guys. That's a big Japanese maple.
I wonder how old it is.
All right, that should work, Eric.
All right.
That should work.
Good.
Alright guys, so we are at Eric's house and Mitchell's house, and I gotta show you guys this. Mitchell, introduce yourself. How old are you?
Mitchell, I'm 17 years old.
Okay, and what you got going on there?
It's an eBay store with trading cards that I at one point collected, and now I realized I prefer money for them instead, and kind of outgrew them. And on my eBay account, I day trade, meaning I will like look for biddings that are pretty low and stuff I feel like I can steal, and then I'll buy them and then end up reselling them for cards I feel like I can make a profit on.
What's the first thing that you sold on eBay? What was it?
The first thing was old Pokemon cards that I had. I collected all through elementary school and primary school. I was obsessed with them, and so those were the first things I sold. And then I had other trading cards, and I'm still getting rid of. And then I kind of realized that if you look hard enough, you can find some that kind of went unnoticed bidding wise, and you can steal them too, and then end up flipping them.
Okay. And you mainly just do cards, you said?
Mainly cards. I'm definitely willing to get into other things as far as purchasing like bulk items and reselling them individually for more. But as of right now, it's just cards because they're really easy to handle, really easy to like take pictures of, and then it's kind of my knowledge base is what I know about, so it's easier to trade. What
else do you do?
As far as...
You go to school? What?
I go to Oconee High School, and I work as a lifeguard right now. I just got a lifeguard job. I do this on the side since it's pretty low maintenance. And whenever I can, I'll work with my dad and his lawn care company, or my mother with her cleaning company. And I also train part-time at a gym.
Okay. So look at that, guys. He's got, even though it's not a big operation, there's money to be made. Look at that. How much you think you sell? I mean, like cards wise.
How many cards
you think you sell a month at least?
Total, I think I've definitely over 100. It's probably somewhere around 130 cards or so.
Okay. It's crazy. That's crazy, guys. See, when you hustle, you recognize hustle, and starting off in your room doing that kind of stuff, you guys, and people say there's no money to be made. There's definitely money to be made and opportunities out there, and that's just the proof. It's just right there, man. And these are gonna be ready to ship out.
These are ready to ship out. These over here just need to be taped up, and I'm gonna drop them off at the post office today, and they should arrive in 2 to 3 days.
Okay. How did you learn how to do this?
Really, I just tried, because I always thought eBay was for like adults and stuff like that, so I never really tried it. But I looked more into it, and I saw that people actually do this for a living, like day trading cards and stuff like that. So I thought if they can do it for a living, I can pick it up part-time and hopefully make a little bit of money, and it's paid off very well.
Okay, awesome, man. Where would you like to see that go? What's your future goal on that?
I'd like to keep it small, really. Some people do eBay for like a full-time job,
right?
But I feel like that's just I feel like it's a risk I'm not wanting to take, because if you end up buying a bulk of one item and then it ends up not being that popular or trending, you're out all that money. And so
the risk is big. The risk is there.
Now there could be an absolutely huge payoff, but I think I like to keep it small because I'm very satisfied with this. And so this will probably be about as big as it gets, really. And I'll just keep making listings since it doesn't take much time. Instead of playing free time playing video games or something like that, I could just make listings instead and try to make a little bit of money.
Exactly. Cool, man. All right, guys. So there it is. If you say you don't know how to make money, look at that. You can just what do you all need? Just your phone, computer,
phone. That's about it, really. Envelopes. A camera on your phone. You can take pictures, envelopes, and a printer. And you can go to the public library if you really want to for that.
Yeah. So that's pretty neat, guys. So there you go. eBay. So that's pretty neat.
Thank you.
All right.